Hello everyone, my name is Eduardo Andrade, and today I will be discussing expectancy violations theory. The theorist who developed expectancy violations theory, which I will be referring to as EVT, is Judy Burgoon. She was born on February 5, 1948, in Ames, Iowa. She developed EVT in 1978. Judy is a professor of communication, family studies, and human development at the University of Arizona. She has authored 13 books and monographs, and has also published nearly 300 articles, chapters, and reviews. A recent survey identified her as the most prolific female scholar in communication in the 20th century. EVT is a theory of communication that analyzes how individuals respond to unanticipated violations of social norms and expectations. EVT focuses on the relationship between personal space and communication. The main emphasis of the theory is how the two influence each other. Our book talks about some key concepts that are vital to the theory. Expectancy, which is what people predict will happen rather than what they desire. Violation valence, which is the perceived positive or negative values assigned to a breach of expectations regardless of who the violator is. Communication reward valence, which is the sum of positive and negative attributes brought to the encounter plus the potential to reward or punish in the future. Personal space, which is the invisible, variable volume of space surrounding an individual that defines that individual's preferred distance from others. Proxemics, which is the study of people's use of space as a special elaboration of culture. And threat threshold, which is the hypothetical outer boundary of intimate space. A breach by an uninvited other occasions fight or flight. For my graphical representation of EVT, I used our textbook's example of students requesting something from a professor. As you can see, the professor's expected interaction range with students ranges from 2.5 feet to 6 feet. The professor's threat threshold is at 1.5 feet. All 4 students violated the professor's expected distance during communication. Andre was way too close when he requested something. He even crossed the professor's threat threshold. Belinda is also too close when requesting something, but does not cross into the professor's threat threshold. Charlie was a bit too far from the professor's expected communication range when he requested something, and Dawn was just way too far when she requested something. Dynette Eifert Johnson is a researcher who conducted studies of EVT in the workplace back in 2010 and 2012. His focus was on swearing by peers in the workplace setting. The degree of surprise and violation of EVT is perceived and associated with perceptions that the speaker is incompetent. Factors that influence expectancies about swearing included speaker sex, speaker status, formality of the situation, and message content. Some of the common swearing expressions studied included "oh shit," "blanks and ass," "f off," "that sucks," "damn clients," and "screw you." The study showed how swearing and distance have a relationship with each other and how they influence work peers' perceptions of the individual swearing. EVT can be used in any general communication instance. When someone talks to you but is too close, they violate your expectancy. When someone talks to you but is too far away, they also violate your expectancy. Having a greater understanding of EVT and what your expected interaction range is can help aid in your communication experiences. Now that we know and understand a little more about expectancy violation theory, let us try and apply it to our everyday interactions and requests when we communicate with others. Remember, don't stand too close or too far away because you might violate someone's expectancy.